Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Figma API key. First, log into your Figma account and click on your avatar in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account preferences. Once in Settings, navigate to the Account tab. Scroll down until you find the Personal Access Tokens section. This is where we will begin our key generation process. Now that you are in the Personal Access Tokens section, you will see a button labeled Add New Personal Access Token. Click this button to start generating your key. A small window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new token. Choose a descriptive name, perhaps indicating its purpose or the application it will be used with. After naming it, click Create Token to finalize this step. Upon creation, your brand new API key will be displayed on the screen. This is a critical moment, as Figma will only show you this key once. It is absolutely essential to copy the entire key string right away. Do not navigate away from this page without copying it. For maximum security, store this key in a secure location, such as a trusted password manager, to prevent unauthorized access. With your API key securely stored, you can now use it to authenticate your requests to the Figma API. When making an API call, you will need to include your key in the HTTP header. Specifically, set the Figma token header with your copied key as its value. Remember, for security best practices, always revoke any keys that are no longer in use or if you suspect they have been compromised. This helps maintain the integrity of your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.